You're watching the Ship on Day 1 Field Guide. I'm Hans. Let's get ship done. You're probably watching this video because you're interested in optimizing your team's state management system. By this point, you probably already have a way that you manage the state for many or most of your projects. And you're probably already measuring that state management system, knowing how efficiently it's working for your technology and your projects in particular. But as software developers, you and I know that it's important to be able to further optimize and experiment with the systems that we own. And we know it's important when we make an experiment to be able to measure the results, to see if that optimization works for our technology and our projects. During this video, I'd like to share 2 optimizations that I've made in the past to improve my state management systems. You might want to try these and see if they work for you and your team. Optimization 1. Think about API key distribution. If you own services, think about how people can subscribe to new API keys. In particular, think about throttling limits as well as the amount of data that they can get back with certain API keys. No matter what you end up doing, make sure that it's easy for a user to get a new API key, both for their personal development as well as for the applications that they're creating. By making sure that this is a low-friction process, you make it more likely that people will use your services and your APIs. Optimization 2. Think about how your state management system is going to scale. As your project becomes more mature and holds more data, it's likely that the way that you originally architected it is no longer going to work at scale and at speed. Consider changing out your state management system, maybe using a new database system, for example. When you're doing this, it's a good idea to create a gap analysis, comparing different types of databases with each other. This will make it so that you can easily optimize your new state management system, making sure that the data is returning quickly to the end user, but also with the right level of accuracy. These are just 2 things that you might want to do in order to optimize your state management system. And you can probably already think of some other experiments you might want to run on your team. But whatever experiments you run, make sure that you're able to measure them and determine if they're actually moving the trend and the metrics in the correct direction. When they are, consider making those optimizations permanent. And when they're not, try something else. Thanks for watching this video, which was on optimizing state management. You can find many more videos and resources for software developers at shiponday1.com. I'll see you there. Thank you.